Welcome to IELTS Vocabulary, Day 17, on Environment and Nature, Part 2. Deforestation, cutting forests on a large scale. Deforestation accelerates climate change. Desertification, fertile land turning to desert. It threatens farmers in arid regions. Greenhouse gases, CO2 and methane trapping heat. Fossil fuels increase emissions. Carbon footprint, total gases we produce. Public transport helps reduce it. Ecosystem, community of organisms. Coral reefs are highly diverse ecosystems. Pollution, contamination of air, water, or soil. Air pollution harms health in cities. Overpopulation, too many people for resources. It leads to food shortages. That's Day 17. Keep practicing and prepare for Day 18.